Today we will solve exercise 2.2. Question first. Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. First question is x square minus 2x minus 8. In this question we have to find the zeros of the polynomial, quadratic polynomial, and also verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. To find sum of zeros, we need to do factorize for the given polynomial. For this, we are going to use splitting the middle term. So we multiply 1 by minus 8, we get minus 8, and the middle term is minus 2. Now we have to find two numbers which on multiplying we get minus 8 and on solving we get minus 2. So that two numbers are 2 and minus 4. On multiplying 2 by minus 4 we get minus 8, and on solving 2 minus 4 we get minus 2. So x square, in place of middle term we write the splitting term, plus 2x minus 4x and minus 8. See, from here we can take x common, so in bracket we get x plus 2 minus, from this side we can take 4 as a common, so inside the bracket we get x plus 2. Now again we can take x plus 2 common and we get x minus 4 in another bracket. Now to find zeros, if we put x plus 2 equals to 0, we get x equals to minus 2. And if we put x plus 4 equals to 0, we get x equals to 4. Now to verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient, we need to find sum of zeros and the product of zeros. Sum of zeros, minus 2 plus 4, which is equals to 2, and product of zeros, minus 2 multiplied by 4, which is equals to minus 8. Now we find sum of coefficient. To find sum of coefficient, there is a formula, minus bracket coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. So minus coefficient of x is minus 2 upon coefficient of x square is 1. So we get 2, and product is equals to constant term upon coefficient of x square. Here in expression, constant term is minus 8 upon coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is 1, which is equals to minus 8. Now we see that sum of zeros equals to 2 and sum of coefficient is also equals to 2. Product of zeros equals to minus 8 and product of coefficient equals to minus 8. Hence our relation verified. Question second, 4s square minus 4s plus 1. To find zeros, we need to factorize the given polynomial. So we use splitting the middle term method. So we multiply 4 by 1, which is equals to 4, and the middle term is minus 4. Now we have to find two numbers which on multiplying we get 4, and on solving that two number we get minus 4. So that two number are minus 2 and minus 2. On multiplying minus 2 by minus 2 we get plus 4, and on adding minus 2 and minus 2 we get minus 4. So 4 is s square. In place of middle term we write the splitting term, minus 2s plus 1. From here we can take 2s common, so inside bracket we get 2s minus 1. From this side we can take minus common and we get 2s minus 1. There is one condition, these two brackets should be same. Now again we can take 2s minus 1 common. In another bracket we get 2s minus 1. To find zeros, we put 2s minus 1 equals to 0, we get s equals to 1 upon 2, and for this if we put it 2s minus 1 equals to 0, we get s equals to 1 by 2. Now sum of zeros means 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2, which is equals to 2 upon 2, and 2 upon 2 is equals to 1. Product of zeros, 1 upon 2 multiplied by 1 upon 2. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1 and 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Now we find coefficient, sum of coefficient. So there is a formula to find sum of coefficient, which is minus bracket coefficient of s upon coefficient of s square. So we put minus sign. Coefficient of s is -4. So minus bracket -4 upon coefficient of s square. Coefficient of s square is 4. On solving, we get 1. Now product of coefficient. Formula is constant term upon coefficient of s square. Constant term here 1 and coefficient of s square is 4. So product of coefficient is 1 upon 4. Now we see that sum of zeros equals to sum of coefficient, both are equals to 1, and product of zeros and product of coefficient equals to 1 upon 4. Hence verified. Next question, 4u square plus 8u. From these two terms we can take 4u common and inside the bracket we get u plus 2. Now to find zeros, if we put 4u equals to 0, we get u equals to 0, and if we put u plus 2 equals to 0, we get u equals to -2. Now we find sum of zeros. Sum of zeros means 0 plus bracket -2, 0 plus -2 which is equals to -2, and product of zeros means 0 multiplied by -2 which is equals to 0. Now coefficient. We find sum of coefficient. To find sum of coefficient, there is a formula minus bracket coefficient of u upon coefficient of u square. Now in our expression, coefficient of u is 8. So minus 8 upon coefficient of u square. Coefficient of u square is 4. Minus 8 divided by 4, we get -2. Now product. To find product, we have formula constant term upon coefficient of u square. Here constant term is 0 upon coefficient of u square is 4. 0 upon 4 is equals to 0. Now we see that sum of 0 is -2 and sum of coefficient is also -2. Product of 0 is 0 and product of coefficient is 0. Hence proved. Both are equal. Hence proved. Question 5. T square minus 15. We can write t square minus 15 as t square minus under root 15 square, because under root 15 multiplied by under root 15 equals to 15. Now to find the zeros of the given polynomial, we use the identity a square minus b square which is equals to a plus b, a minus b. So t square minus under root 15 square is equals to t minus under root 15 multiplied by t plus under root 15. Now to find zeros, if we put t minus root 15 equals to 0, we get t equals to root 15, and if we put t plus root 15 equals to 0, we get t minus root 15. Now to verify relation, we find sum of zeros. Sum of zeros means root 15 plus bracket minus root 15. Root 15 plus minus minus root 15. Root 15 minus root 15 is equals to 0. And for product, we multiply root 15 multiplied by minus root 15. Root 15 multiplied by root 15 equals to 15. And minus sign, we write minus 15. Now coefficient. To find sum of coefficient, formula is minus coefficient of t upon coefficient of t square. So in our expression, coefficient of t is 0 and coefficient of t square is 1. So 0 upon 1 is 0. Now product. For product, formula is constant term upon coefficient of t square. In our expression, constant term is minus 15 and coefficient of t square is 1. So minus 15 upon 1 equals to minus 15. Now we see that sum of zeros equals to 0 and sum of coefficient equals to 0. And also product of zeros is minus 15 and product of coefficient is minus 15. Both are equal, hence verified. Question second. Find a quadratic polynomial each with the given numbers as the sum and the product of its zeros respectively. First is 1 upon 4, comma, minus 1. Given sum of zeros is 1 upon 4 and product of 0 is minus 1. In this question we have to find quadratic polynomial. So to find quadratic polynomial, there is a formula x square minus bracket sum of zeros multiplied by x plus product of zeros. So x square minus sum of zeros is 1 upon 4 multiplied by x plus product of 0 is equals to minus 1, which is equals to x square minus 1 upon 4 x plus minus equals to minus 1. Now to remove denominator 4, we multiply the numerator by 4. So 4 multiplied by x square minus 1 upon 4x minus 1. 4 multiplied by x square is 4x square. 4 multiplied by 1 is 4, and we divide 4 and 4, we get minus x. 4 multiplied by minus 1 is 4. So the quadratic equation is 4x square minus x minus 4. Question second, root 2 and 1 upon 3. Given sum of zeros is root 2 and product of zeros is 1 upon 3. To find quadratic polynomial, we have formula x square minus sum of zeros multiplied by x plus product of zeros. X square minus sum of zeros is root 2, so root 2 multiplied by x plus product of 0 is 1 upon 3. Now to remove 3 from denominator, we multiply 3 by numerator. So 3 multiplied by x square minus root 2x plus 1 upon 3, which is equals to 3 multiplied by x square is 3x square minus 3 multiplied by root 2 x equals to minus 3 root 2x plus 3 multiplied by 1 is 3 upon 3, which is equals to 1. So 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1 is the quadratic polynomial. Question third, 0, comma, root 5. Given sum of zeros is 0 and product of 0 is root 5. To find quadratic polynomial, we put the values in this formula. X square minus sum of zeros is 0 and the product of zeros is root 5. So no need to write the polynomial 0x. We write x square plus root 5. Question 4, 1 and 1. Given sum of zeros is 1 and product of zeros is 1. Now to find quadratic polynomial, we have formula x square minus sum of zeros multiplied by x plus product of zeros. So x square minus sum of 0 is equals to 1 multiplied by x plus product of 0 equals to 1, or we can also write it as x square minus x plus 1. Question 6, 4 and 1. Given sum of zeros equals to 4 and product of 0 is 1. Now to find quadratic polynomial, we have formula x square minus bracket sum of zeros multiplied by x plus product of zeros. So x square minus sum of 0 is 4 multiplied by x plus product of 0 is 1. So x square minus 4x plus 1 is the quadratic polynomial of this.